Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a nil tax return. Many people wonder if they still need to file taxes when they haven't earned any income. The answer is often yes, and doing so correctly is crucial. A nil tax return simply means you're reporting zero taxable income for the financial period. This process is straightforward and helps you stay compliant, avoiding any future issues or penalties from tax authorities. Let's get started. So, who exactly needs to file a nil return? Generally, if you're registered with the tax authority but had no taxable income, or your income fell below the tax-free threshold, you'll likely need to file one. This also applies to businesses that had no activity or generated zero profit during the tax period. It's a way to inform the tax office that you're still active but had no earnings to report, ensuring your records are up to date. Filing a nil tax return is surprisingly simple. First, navigate to your tax authority's official online portal. Look for the option to file a nil or zero return, which is usually clearly marked. You'll then need to confirm that all sections for income, deductions, and credits are indeed zero. Once you've double-checked everything, simply submit the return electronically. This method is quick, efficient, and ensures your compliance without much hassle. While filing a nil return is easy, remember a few key points. Always submit your return by the official deadline to avoid late penalties. It's also wise to keep a copy of your submitted nil return and any relevant records for at least 3 years, just in case. If you have any doubts about your specific situation or whether you qualify for a nil return, seek advice from a qualified tax professional. Staying informed keeps you compliant and worry-free.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.